baseball, and it's not that.
Hello, we're at Disneyland Paris.
Bonjour.
I haven't been since 2019. We're going into Avengers Campus now, so I'm excited to do this. Last time I was here, it was still rock and rolling and kind of a just generally dead area around it, so it's nice to see they've done something with it. We do Spider-Man first?
Yeah, we're doing Spider-Man, then Web Adventures is Spider-Man, and then Flight Force.
We're gonna be doing this.
Yeah. This what? What?
Grâce à ton protecteur, vous lancerez vos propres toiles d'araignée, comme mon pote Spider-Man. C'est pas de panique, les amis. Je vais régler ça.
Disponible. Asseyez-vous et mettez ces lunettes de ciblage Web Vision. Elles sont très élégantes.
So we've just come off of the Spider-Man shooting ride. That was actually really fun. I've heard some mixed things about it, but I really enjoyed that. And now we're going to go on Avengers Flight Force, which again I've heard mixed things about, so this will be interesting. It used to be rolling roller coaster. It's now been rethemed to fit in the new Avengers campus area, which is really beautiful. So yeah, we'll give this a go now. Flight Force. It's okay. Coaster's alright. It wasn't as rough as I thought, but those trains are not good. Yeah, and the theming inside is, well, on the actual coaster is doesn't really exist, does it?
Well,
the screens that aren't OLED, so you can see a really big grey border around them. Yeah.
I would actually say, like, I'm literally the opposite of you on the opinion. Like, I think the theming is all right, but I think the coaster has to go.
The theming's good until you get to the coaster.
I don't agree, because, like, what else could they do?
Well, Rock and Rollin' had signs that were illuminated as you go around it.
Yeah,
like
but
head
not
choppers
this version.
And stuff. No.
This version, this version only had like lights, and it was like a rock concert, you know, a Bon Jovi concert with light effects and smoke.
Yeah, it's average. I'm not gonna.
Oh no, definitely
want to get back on it.
Yeah, but
yeah,
I mean that's
better things
one of the only rides here, so we might as well. But
I was gonna say cred to cred, but I've already got it. So
yeah,
I already had it from last time. Oh well.
At least you could see it.
Yeah. I forgot how beautiful Tower of Terror is. Look at that. So now we're going to go on RC Racer, which is just a big Intamin, I think they're called half-pipe coasters. They're very weird. I don't think you actually get that many cycles as well. It goes up and down like maybe 3 full times. Yann's doing a car impression and I'm concerned. So I've just ridden RC Racer and it was, yeah, it was okay. It was a bit boring. Slightly more forceful than I expected, but yeah, it's just weird. Intamin era. They make some weird things. So now it's time for Ratatouille. If you want to see a POV of this, I'd recommend just going and watching my Florida vlog, because they're a bit odd about on-ride filming here, so I won't record this one. It's so good, I love it. The trackless rides are so cool, but like the way that all the mice interact with each other and the screen immersion, it's just such a good ride. The smell pods in there as well are so much better than the Florida ones. We are both doing exactly the same thing. The smell pods in there are so good, I love that thing. It's amazing. It is very busy today. But now anyway, we are going to the main park because Studios is very busy. We're going to go on Crush's, but Crush's was 45 minutes just for single rider and 80 for normal, so nope. We're going to go on Big Thunder Mountain, I think, when we get there, which is only on 35, which is pretty good, and then maybe Phantom Manor. So we're going to go to, not really, I was going to say arguably, but it's not really arguably, the better park. Now we are going, probably my favourite thing Disney have ever done, Frontierland. I am indeed doing the vlogception.
Whoa!
Yeah, it's perfect. I love it. It's so good. So much better than the Florida
The
one.
Vekoma mine train is not that rough.
No, it's nice and smooth. The seats are nice and padded. It's just so much better than any
And the
other mine
seat
train
divider
ever.
as well. Because at Wallaby, like, I think you could see
sliding
how,
around
yeah,
everywhere.
It's definitely the best Frontierland, isn't it?
Yeah, I love this place. It's so much better than the Florida one. And the Florida
Oh
one
yeah,
as
the
well.
Florida one is actually jank. So.
Yeah, it is. It's a little bit painful, but
Yeah,
this is
really
just
painful.
perfect. I love it. So we're now going on Phantom Manor, the big spooky.
Perhaps you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. This chamber has no windows and no doors.
So we've just come off of Phantom Manor.
Yeah.
Very, very good. I think we said earlier it's probably the best out of all of them. Same with Big Thunder Mountain, to be fair. But
Yeah, I mean the Frontierland version of Paris is probably better than every single Frontierland, just because
Yeah,
it's got the
definitely.
island and it's got a whole story to it. I mean, I explained it to you. I won't explain it now, otherwise we would be here all day. And
yeah,
but yeah,
it's a very detailed and elaborate story, but it's so good.
It's really immersive as well.
Yeah,
It's
it fits into the area so well.
Yeah, it's like Western to its.
Yeah, it's just so
full glory.
perfect. I love it.
Yeah.
Makes me want to do more Western stuff in Blanco.
Oh,
Like,
teaser!
Now.
Little teaser.
Pizza.
Pizza, pizza.
Look at the views from up here. Oh, and it goes even higher. Whoa. Yann's gonna bounce me. I found some ducks. I'm happy now. Look at them, they're so cute. Time for the Intamin janky messiness.
It's actually a nice idea. I think people say it's rougher than it actually is.
The headbanging was a bit more. What was
Oh
one?
yeah.
Yeah. The best part was actually it does the kind of like set of trims just before the final turn
Yes.
into the brakes. The airtime coming up,
It's
my
really,
bag
really
like
good.
flew up out
Yeah.
the seat. Yeah. Apart from that, it's that one piece of straight track really confused me. I was like, why is this here? But yeah, it's okay. I really like the scenery interaction. That's probably the best part of it. But it's not smooth, is it?
Oh no.
Well, really? It
it's
depends.
Supposed to be. It was actually supposed to be a temporary ride. So
Yeah.
it's like one of those funfair rides.
Yeah,
you know?
they copied off of it. Was it a Pinfari layout? It's been just stealing stuff.
It's saying a lot.
Yeah. But no, it's alright. I just won't be rushing to get back on.
Now. God, I'm good.
We're back at studios. Time for the Hollywood Tower of Terror.
So, reaction time.
Tower of Terror. I love it so much. It's
Oh,
so
yeah, I
good.
bet.
It's so good.
So, let me tell you something. It's actually randomized every time.
Oh, cool.
And-
That's good.
It's so randomized every time that I have rarely been on the new cycle on the first floor. So I didn't know at all that it was gonna drop like
Literally
lower.
the second it started, yeah, that
lower
was so
than
good.
the first floor. This is literally the first time I've ever had that, and so that surprised me. Even though I know this ride, like I've ridden it like 100 times at least.
I just thought like the little girl looks so much like Emily Alton from
Oh,
Curse
she
of the
does.
Manor.
Yeah, she
like
does.
the effects, even without the purple pulsing stuff behind her, is so similar. But yeah, I love it.
But it came before.
I just love drop towers in general, but this one obviously because it's not just a drop, it's like loads of different parts of the thematic.
A lot of
elements
airtime
and-
as well.
Oh yeah.
So yeah,
It's
it's
very,
a really,
very good. I
really
love it.
good ride. Really.
What was that noise?
That was the little aliens from Toy Story with the claw.
Oh, fair enough. We're on our way to a very wet hyperspace mountain because it just started chucking it down.
I am wet.
I am, yes.
So,
Hyperspace.
hyperspace. Flight Force or hyperspace?
Hyperspace. Easily. I
Flight
know you
Force.
don't like the theme of Star Wars, and I don't like it either. As much as I love Star Wars, it's got more. It's got more screens in the second half. There's like no screens in the first half, but it's a little bit smoother. The vests were hard to breathe in, but I prefer them to the headbanginess of the rocket rolling thing.
I mean, yeah, from a headbanging point
Yeah.
of view, I would actually agree.
I feel like there was more effects last time. Either that or I remember it more
Actually,
fondly. No, there wasn't. Okay. Well, it
They
needs
were-
more- it needs
They
more
were
work.
literally all there.
Or just scrap the Star Wars thing. There's already a Star Wars ride in this area. So.
Do you want to know something worse? I actually realized that the old set pieces are still there.
Oh, the one just as you come into the final break room, there's like a sign above you. Yeah.
The sign above you.
That doesn't
and,
look Star Warsy in the slightest.
Meteorites.
Yeah. Come on, Disney, just
Yeah.
yeah.
I mean, they could still like retrofit it into
Yeah.
Space Mountain, but they just won't
No.
because they're bad at their
Star
job.
Wars. Oh well, still enjoyed it. But got
I
everything.
enjoyed
done
it.
now.
I was last row actually. Well, second to last row.
I was like mid-train, but
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
when we got stuck on the second to last block break with the Star Destroyer screen for like 30 seconds, that was so boring.
And
we
turned
pulled-
off.
No, we pulled in. It did the explosion thing, and then the screen just turned off, so we just sat in darkness for like 20 seconds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not the best ride. I didn't get the block breaks whatsoever. Like, I was fine.
It'll be alright.
Smooth ride for me. Well, smooth.
Yeah,
Not
moderately
smooth, but smooth ride. Like it did what it needed to,
Yeah.
as expected. Let's say that.
Yeah. Pigeon.
Pigeon. Star Tours.
Star Tours.
Last ride of the day.
very good. Oh, Wally on Wave's head is so cute. Anyway, Star Tours was very good.
It doesn't make sense storyline-wise, but it's fun.
Yeah.
It's fun.
It's still good.
It's really fun to mix like different time periods of Star Wars. But if you're a nerd, you can see definitely a lot of
Few
Easter
plot
eggs.
holes. Yeah, it's so good.
Yeah, that's actually our last ride of the day. We're actually speeding up to get our train. So,
We're not late, we just want to be on
yeah.
time.
So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Yann, your favorite friendly Frenchman, and I'll see you guys in the next one. À bientôt.
Bye-bye. Now we do my outro. Well, anyway, yeah, last ride's done. We're going back now. Yeah, bye.
Bye.